Hey everyone, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be doing a 10-minute cool down. These are going to be stretches that are good for your body after a workout. So go ahead and grab your yoga mat. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into these exercises. Kicking off this cool down. All right, we're gonna start in the child's pose position. Come down onto the mat, legs are tucked underneath your body, arms are out, and you're just laying on top of your legs. Really stretch your arms out nice and long and elongate your back while still relaxing. We're gonna hold here for 30 seconds. Come up off of the mat and come into a kitty position. So you're on your hands and knees. And from here, you're going to bring your back up and round out that spine and then bring it back down into neutral and then repeat. This is such a good stretch for your back. It feels so great. We're going to be here for 30 seconds. Moving back, we're going to do some calf stretches. So still, you're on your hands and knees, but you're going to extend one leg back. Put your foot down on the ground and really press into your toes. So heels off the ground, you have your toes down and you're pressing your body, push your body back onto that foot. We're trying to stretch out those calves. We're going to be here for 30 seconds. Make sure you alternate your legs so you can stretch both legs. Moving into a nice runner's lunge, you're going to bring one leg up in front of you and then keep the other one on the ground. And we're really trying to stretch those hip flexors right there. Keep your back nice and straight, push your body forward. You're gonna feel your quads burning. We're here for 30 seconds. From this position, you're going to fold your body down. So we're still on the same side, we're still on the same leg. Bring your body towards the ground while keeping your legs in that position. If you're not very flexible, this is gonna hurt. When I first started my split stretching journey, I couldn't even get down here. So I've come a long way and in the beginning stages, and it's really painful for you. Just try to put your hands down a little bit more and bring your body lower. Don't feel bad if you can't put your elbows onto the ground yet. We're gonna hold here for 30 seconds. All right, let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other leg. So go ahead and switch sides, and we're going to start with the runner's lunge. Knees down on the ground, other leg is bent, and you're going to push down on those hip flexors. From here, you want to bring your body down to the ground as much as possible for that runner's lunge fold, and just breathe through it. I know it's super painful. Coming into a nice pigeon's pose. For this exercise, you want to bring your leg, one of your legs, and tuck it under into a 90-degree angle. And then you can either lay down on it if that's comfortable for you, or you can just stay right there. You can put your hand on top of your foot and your knee and kind of press it down. Whatever is comfortable for you. We're going to do 30 seconds here. Feel that stretch. Good job. Go ahead and switch sides, and we're going to do the other leg now. Awesome. Coming into butterflies, go ahead and sit on your booty, and you're going to bring your feet together. And just like a butterfly has wings, your legs are now wings. You can either flap them lightly. You can also grab your feet and pull your body down towards you, whatever is more comfortable for you, but we're going to be here for 30 seconds. Next, we're going to be doing an extended toe touch. So bring your feet and your legs together, and you're still sitting. Bring them out in front of you and bring your back and your arms down towards your legs. The goal here is to get your upper body as close to your lower body as possible. If you're not that flexible, just try to grab your toes. Coming up off of the mat, we're going to do some crossover toe touches. So arms come out like a plane. You've got your feet out as well. And you're going to take one arm down to the opposite foot and switch. And we're going to do this for 30 seconds. legs together for crisscross leg stretches. So for this exercise, go ahead and crisscross your feet, one in front of the other, and bring your hands down to the ground. We're gonna hold here for 30 seconds. After that, you wanna go ahead and crisscross the opposite foot in front and bring your body down and stretch that as well. So left first or right first, and then right first or left first. And either way, you're holding for 30 seconds. Go ahead and move towards your wall for some stability if you need it. We are going to do the quad stretch. So for this exercise, go ahead and grab your foot, preferably the ankle. Grab the ankle and pull it up towards your hamstring. Your knee should be facing flat. It should be aligned flat towards the ground, and you should feel a nice stretch in your quad. We're going to do this for both legs. Hold for 30 seconds. Now getting into a little bit of arms, we're going to do the reach over arm stretch. Go ahead and grab your arm, one of your arms, doesn't matter what you start with, and pull it over across your chest. Bring your other hand onto your wrist and really pull it towards you. This feels so good for the shoulder socket, the back tricep area, and as well as the bra bulge area. We're going to do this for 30 seconds on each arm. Moving your arm up, you're going to take it behind your head. So go ahead and make, it kind of looks like a triangle, right? You're pushing your elbow down, your hand comes behind your head, and you're just pushing down with your opposite hand. We're going to do this on both arms and hold for 30 seconds. Great job. Really feel that stretch. To loosen up everything, we are going to do some horizontal arm swings. So go ahead and swing your arms in front of your body. You want to go right over left, left over right. Switch your hands or your arms, and you're going to do this for 30 seconds. And that's the cool down, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this exercise / cool down with me. This is a great way to end the workout. After you're done, your heart rate's still pumping, you kind of want to slow it down. This is a great video for you to follow. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.